In previous videos, we manually set up our case classifications and added attributes. This video will demonstrate how you can import a classification sheet if you have this information already stored outside of NVivo. You can import this information from Excel, CSV, structured text files, and SPSS files. We'll use Excel since this is the most common. Before importing a classification sheet, first check the names of the cases and the names in the Excel file match exactly. It's a good idea for the names to be the first column. Second, check that all the column labels are on the first row. These will become your attribute names. To import my classification sheet, I go to Case Classifications in the Cases area in Navigation View. In the Import tab in the ribbon, I click on Classifications and then select Classification Sheet. An import wizard opens. First, click Browse to select your Excel file. And then click Next in the wizard. Here, I leave the 3 default options checked and click Next. I must now indicate where my cases that I wish to match are stored in NVivo. I select the option As Names. I click the Select option and browse to my People Cases folder and select it. And then click Next. I accept the default settings on this screen and click Finish. My table is now imported and linked to my cases. The newly imported classification opens and displays. Once imported, I can continue to edit my classification by adding or removing attributes or editing the attributes themselves to add or remove values. The process is identical for importing file classifications. However, the names in the Excel file must match the file names rather than the case names.